I'll do the spiel.
Okay, started recording.
All right. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. This is a CSI implementation meeting. We have a very small crowd today, so let's kind of keep this short. One maybe important announcement is that currently the release team is looking into extending the 119 release cycle. There's a discussion going on in Kubernetes dev about the new proposed timelines. If it gets approved, then enhancements freeze is going to be pushed out to 1 more week.
This was sent out yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be good if there was this is extended to have a little bit more time.
Yeah. All right. So let's just go into our 119 status updates. We'll skip over everything and go to snapshots.
We got a couple fixes checked in. Jin helped review it. I'm gonna cherry pick whatever my fix into the 0.2.1 and build a new release image once Michelle your changes in as well. Then we can probably create a new image for a release image for that.
What is the status? What is the status for your change, Michelle?
My change to enable the tests.
Yeah.
I think it was mostly waiting on Grant to check in his changes. I think his changes are merged. So I think what that means is we need to update. I think I need to do two things. I need to tag a new host path driver version because he checked in and fixed a host path driver. And then I also have to update the prow that's running in external snapshotter and potentially also update the host path version being used in the test. Yeah, so I think there's three things I need to do. I can, I'll do that today since everything else is in.
Okay, so and there was also this big vendor update change from Humble. Should that one wait for your change, or does that one can go in? I'm not sure what if there is. It's probably okay for that one. It probably does not because your change will need to be cherry picked, right? So is it okay if his change gets in first than yours, or you want to wait? We can wait. It's fine. I'm just wondering.
Hello?
Hello? Yeah, can you hear me? Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay.
Did you
Can
hear?
You hear me?
Yes, I can. Did you hear my question?
Okay. No, my computer froze for like 30 seconds.
Oh, I was asking. There's I think Humble has this big update Go module, this vendor thing change. Can his change go in before yours? But yours needs to be cherry picked. So I don't know if there's any issue there.
Yeah, I think I need to cherry
wait.
pick my change. So let's wait on Humble's change just one more day or so until I can install this. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let's do that.
Okay.
That's fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna work on the address, Michelle, your comments for the metrics, and then we're pretty much done with that.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay. Michelle, can you help merge that update on the snapshot cap thing that's been there for a while?
Oh, right.
Yeah, that's
it's on my plate. I just mainly I want to better understand how all the annotations and finalizers work because it's very confusing to me. So
okay.
Yeah. So I just need to spend some time to like sit down and like look at what's going on.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, because it looks, I mean, like we know it's the interactions are fairly kind of complicated, right? Because we've had like all these bugs here that we've had to fix related to that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
I
but
just want to better.
I think
I just want to better understand like the design of it and see if like there's maybe a simpler way we can do it. I don't know. That's all from my perspective.
Okay, yeah, but at least it's an update to the whatever existing in there is still better than what we have merged already. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
The cap, I mean, the existing merge cap now it's outdated, right? So at least adding some, this is like the beta version after we implemented it. It's at least much more clear than what we had there before. Yeah, so.
Yeah, definitely makes sense. Yeah, I'll first, I think today I'm gonna focus on getting the Prow test running again.
Yeah.
And if I can get that done today, then I will take a look at the cap again.
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
Awesome.
All right.
That's
all?
Oh, well, y'all just joined now, so I think we have to have like a long meeting.
Hey.
No, I hate you, Yang. Why are you joining at this moment?
Okay, I can
We're
leave.
almost done here.
I think, Jan, I don't know if you were here when I was saying there's some discussion going on in SIG release to extend 119 release cycle. So what that means for us is that the enhancements freeze might be extended by a week if they if they agree on the changes. And it also means that like code freeze and the actual release dates are going to be extended as well.
That's good, right?
Gives us more time to develop things, but
Yeah.
it also means that we may need to cherry pick and do more patch releases to fix issues if we're going to also delay our releases too.
Okay. It doesn't sound bad.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. Any other topics? Oh, my computer is being funny again.
And your voice is funny as well.
Yeah, the sound. Your voice.
Yeah, I think I need
clear.
to reboot my computer or something, but like it just got really slow and it's weird. Can you hear me?
We can hear you.
Okay. I think one more thing, Jan, that I wanted to discuss with you was looking into implementing a dumb attach in the host path driver so that we could actually really test external attacher path in our CI. Because I think we've had the last two PRs that went in are breaking changes technically, but our tests have actually not really caught the problem because the tests are not actually exercising the paths.
How is it possible? Because we have GCE driver.
Well, yeah, I just mean, so that means that I have to debug the GCE test failures instead of you debugging the host path driver failures.
Okay, I see. Nice. Okay, like I don't like it there because it doesn't belong there. The driver is not attachable, so why make it attachable?
Yeah, it's just that like the CI we have on the repo is not really doing anything useful because it's not actually getting, the code path is not getting exercised at all.
Okay.
The other discussion that maybe we should think about is like we have implemented all sorts of hacky things into the host path driver so that we could test features like snapshots and cloning and stuff. Like it might be time that we just sort of turn the host path driver into our sort of better than mock driver for purposes.
Okay.
Try to give up any pretext on like actually using host path for real scenarios.
I see.
Anyway, that's something I think maybe we should just consider again. All right. That was all that I wanted to talk about. Any other topics? All right, then we'll end the meeting. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks. Bye.
Thanks. Bye bye.